Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the top-to-pump hose in an LG washer. This is going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new top-to-pump hose. The top-to-pump hose connects the washer's outer tub to the drain pump inlet. The main reason for the top-to-pump hose to be replaced is if it cracks, causing a water leak. We're removing the rear access panel. In order to do that, we need to take out the 4 Phillips screws. So I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to take them out. If you noticed, I'm wearing gloves. This is because of the sharp metal. So I'm going to grab it on both sides, bend it slightly and push it down, and then we can release the top. Then we can pull up the bottom and take out the access panel. Alright, so we're going to place a support on the floor and put a towel on it so it won't damage the washer. And then we can tilt it and place it on the box here. So we're going to squeeze and remove that wing clamp. Slide it down the hose, and then we can pull off the hose. It comes from the pump. It may be a little rusty, hard to take it. I would recommend to turn it and pull it at the same time. And at this moment, probably would be better to put a towel underneath. Some water should be in the pump itself. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing, squeeze and move that clamp. And now we're going to remove the hose. The towel wouldn't hurt, just in case. This is the old top-to-pump hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, I'm going to place a new hose on the tub port. Push it in on all the way. And then we're going to squeeze and move the clamp. And the other end of the hose goes on the inlet of the drain pump. And now we can squeeze and move the clamp on the hose. Alright. So I'm going to put the washer back on the ground on its feet. And we're going to remove the box and the towel. Alright, we're going to install the rear access panel. Slide it up first under these 2 tabs on the top. Then we're going to bend a little bit the bottom. Place it in these 2 slots here. Alright, at this point we can secure that access panel with the 4 Phillips screws. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.